Hi friends. Welcome to Dentistry Love channel. Splinting using fiber splint in case of replacement. Single visit bridge. Introduction. The primary reasons for splinting and stabilizing teeth are to connect them for the purpose of replacing missing teeth or as an adjunct to periodontal therapy. Here the replacement can be natural tooth or acrylic teeth or composite buildup. If the pontic is natural crown, cut off the root of the extracted tooth and fill pulp chamber with composite. Prepare an undercut lingual groove on the extracted tooth. Bond natural tooth pontic to fiber splint with composite. If the pontic is acrylic teeth, for temporary purpose, we can use this in place of RPD according to the size and shade of abutment. We can select the acrylic teeth as pontic and trim it accordingly, so that it fits aesthetically applicable at the gingival site. If the pontic is composite buildup, composite resin is placed at the pontic site over the fiber splint and crown is built up with it. It can be even used as permanent replacement. Fiber splint, fiberglass ribbons of different size and thickness. The application is very easy. Fiber splint strip is saturated with bonding agent, fiber bond, positioned on the etched and bonded palatal/lingual surfaces, then fixed in the interdental area with clip and splint application clips and light cured. Fiber splints are very versatile and realize highly aesthetic results. Steps involved: take the fiber splint and measure the length needed for the procedure, cut it off and place it separately. Measurement can be done on labial side but placement can be done on palatal side. Decide which type of pontic is good for the particular case. The replacement can be natural tooth or acrylic teeth or composite buildup. Then do etch and apply bonding agent and then apply flowable composite on the lingual or palatal side of the abutments. Then place the fiber splint over it and light cure it. Place the flowable composite on the fiber splint at the pontic site and place the selected pontic over it and cure it. Finishing and polishing. The excess material can be removed with the burrs, making it smooth, not allowing way for food lodgement at the splinted site, and at last polishing can be done. Thank you friends. Please do subscribe for more videos.